Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Smartsheet Gantt charts for project schedules. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Smartsheet account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project sheet you want to convert into a Gantt chart. Locate the Gantt chart view option in the toolbar at the top. Click on the Gantt chart view icon. If you don't see the Gantt chart icon, you may need to enable it in your view settings. After activating the Gantt view, your project schedule, you will notice taskbars representing the duration of each task. Next, adjust your tasks by clicking and dragging the bars to modify their timelines. To add dependencies between tasks, select the task you'd like to connect. Look for the dependency column, typically labeled as predecessors. Enter the row number of the task that must be completed first. This will create a dependency that helps manage the sequence of your project. If you want to customize the Gantt chart further, explore the formatting options. This will allow you to change colors, adjust timelines, and enhance clarity. You can also zoom in or out on the timeline for a more detailed or broader view. To share your Gantt chart with team members, click on the Share button. Enter the email addresses of those you want to invite to view the chart. Set their permission levels according to what access you want them to have. Finally, confirm all changes and ensure everything is saved. Your Smartsheet Gantt chart is now fully activated and tailored to your project schedule. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.